Hey everyone, this is Justine from JustPlans and welcome back to another video. I am memory planning this week with this beautiful kit by Alyssa's Craft Shop. I just fell in love with this kit as soon as I saw it. I actually included this in a recent haul and yeah, it is absolutely stunning. I was just so obsessed with the bold, bright florals in this kit. And so I also picked up two of the matching deco sheets. And honestly, I think I only used one of them because these sheets are like jam packed with florals. You really don't need more than one. I mean, unless like, I don't know, maybe maybe you use a lot more florals than I do, but I feel like I use a good amount. So anyway, I'm just going down and not going down. I'm like, oh my God. I'm putting down the base of the spread. And so this week I am memory planning is actually the week of my birthday. My birthday is August 16th. And so this is the week of August 16th through the 22nd. I'm just using my trusty date dots from Rose Colored Days. I actually did want to pull in like rose gold foil date dots, but I just didn't have them. So, oh well, it's fine. Black ones are fine. There's like going to be tons of foil in this spread anyway, so I don't think it's too big of a deal. Anyway, yeah, so this is the week of my birthday, and when it's a special week in my planner, like a birthday or a celebration or some big event, I always put like so much pressure on myself to have or to like make it into a really beautiful, pretty spread and to be like perfect, which like obviously is a recipe for disaster. Though I do think this came out really pretty. So those that floral divider that I put down onto the headers is from Honey Inked. I do use those a few times in the spread to just like spread that out, or I think I just only put it in the sidebar. I don't know, we'll see as the spread goes. But anyway, onto the sidebar, I just pulled in, some boxes and deco from the kit, and then an August script that's from Graceful Muse Paperie. And then the little bits of deco here and there, like the butterfly, the floral stems, and then the divider, that is from the Pretty Pink Co. I have coupon codes to both of those shops. That will just be like in the description bar down below. And so then that lace box is from Bloom Paper Studio, and I'm just going to use that to mark that it's my birthday week. And then underneath that, I'm pulling in a scallop, and you'll see what I wrote there. I'll get into that as the week goes on. But here we are just putting down the full boxes, and I think I might be pulling up some of these boxes, or oh no, no. I cut that out of the video. Lucky you guys. But it did take me a while to like put down the boxes where I like and like try to disperse the floral evenly throughout the spread. I wanted that all floral box at the very top because the bottom is so florally, but anyway, yeah, I also think because a lot of the boxes are on the simpler side, like one, two, three of them have like most of the colors like around the border and there's not that much like in the middle. So anyway, um so yeah, Monday was my birthday, so I'm pulling in the Bloom Paper Studio lace box. That's the bigger size, and then just some deco from the kit. This birthday cake icon is actually from the kit, which is awesome. So just marking that it was my birthday this day, and I'm definitely someone who like is obsessed with their birthday. Like I feel like it's the best day of the year, honestly. And oh, that heart cluster is from the Giving Girl, and then these like little bits of foil deco and garland, those are from Sadie Stickers. But anyway, yeah, but this is like probably one of the least birthday-y birthdays that I've had in a while. If you watched my last plan with me, my boyfriend and I drove up to Poughkeepsie to attend my friend's wedding, and so this day was like the day we were driving back to New Jersey. So I just marked picking up the dog from the border. That's just a dog collar from White Deer Stationery, and here I marked that Archie was sick and we gave him a bath. In reality, like he diarrheaed on the floor and then he shook his butt and there was some poop that landed on my leg. Like happy birthday to me, I guess. But yeah. Yeah, that was a fun experience So great. So we had to, yeah, give him a bath after that, and I even had to take a bath after that. So fun times. Really, I got shat on my birthday. So, and yeah, at the end of the night, my boyfriend and I just went and ate at a restaurant. But yeah, it was just like because we drove so much, and also I got pooped on, and also like typically I will go have dinner with my family at the end of the night, but this year we did that on a different day. We did that on the previous Saturday. So it just like I don't know, it just didn't feel very birthday-y. And yeah, I guess I'm also someone who just like likes to plan their own birthday, and then this year I just didn't plan anything for myself. I did take the day off, and I actually marked that on Tuesday and Wednesday, like one box, and then just added some floral on either side to span both days. But I also took off Monday. But yeah, yeah, definitely next year I'll try to plan some more things for myself so that I can actually like feel like it's my birthday. Um, but anyway, my boyfriend kind of was like, I kind of expressed that to my boyfriend, and he was like, okay, yeah, we'll definitely like do something this weekend. Like, we'll do something really fun, to celebrate. So I was like, really looking forward to that. And so yeah, something happened this week that like completely derailed those plans. I will get into that on Thursday, but let's see if I can catch up Tuesday and Wednesday. Not too much stuff. Like any icons that I use, it looks like I use White Deer stationery. That paw print is from the Giving Girl. A lot of my icons are from Crafts by Towie, like that chair with the popcorn. The hanging plant on Wednesday is from the Pretty Pink Co. Um, yeah, everything else I feel like you've seen, or they're just shops that I've already mentioned, like White Deer stationery icons. Um, and then the little sprinklings of foil are from the Giving Girl and Sadie stickers. Okay, let me see. This was like the height of. Oh no, this was the start of Bachelor in Paradise, because I think the week prior to this was when Katie's season of The Bachelor ended, and I'm like totally into Bachelor in Paradise. I almost feel like that show is better than The Bachelor and The Bachelorette, though the current season of Michelle's Bachelor is so good so far. We're only like 3 episodes in, but anyway, if you watch Bachelor in Paradise, you should, or if you don't watch it, you definitely should. Okay, let's get into Thursday. So Thursday, I did have to return back to work. I only took off Monday through Wednesday, so I came back to 5 meetings, which was like fucking awesome. Wednesday night, I marked it Wednesday night, but it was actually Tuesday that my boyfriend started feeling sick, and so this day he went to go to the doctor and see what's up. He did take a COVID test, and we were thinking like, oh, it's the flu, because he had like more like sinusy, headache, aches, that type of symptoms. But no, he tested positive for COVID, which was a shock. Definitely a shock. We did not expect that to happen at all, because we just like it wasn't like the symptoms that you kept hearing about, like shortness of breath, loss of taste or smell. He didn't have any of that. He had like a little bit of a cough. But yeah, that was a shock for sure. So I went to go and get tested. I was thankfully negative. I pulled in those stethoscope stickers are from White Deer Stationery, and then I put a bow on top that's from Hair Right Designs. But yeah, yeah. So remember when I said my boyfriend was going to like, he said that we would have a fun weekend and do all this stuff to celebrate my birthday. Well, all those plans went to shit because he tested COVID positive, or positive for COVID, and I had to take care of him for the next week or 10 days or whatever. So I got some groceries. I just marked that with I think that's just a cooking icon from Crafts by Towie. And then his parents also dropped us off a care package, because obviously we were quite, with my boyfriend being positive and having to quarantine. And I also didn't really want to go, out too much either. They, dropped us off some supplies. On Friday, my parents also sent us or dropped off a care package. And then my brother's girlfriend also, like, had some vitamins delivered to us, like zinc and vitamin D and C. I guess those are like good things to take to like boost your immune system. So that was really nice, really sweet, that our families care about us. But yeah, fun stuff. Okay. So basically he was like sequestered in his office. Thankfully, we have like a decently sized house. Like we have separate offices, and so he has his own office that he kind of stayed in, and I kind of like was his butler for a week, and I brought him his meals, and he like used a separate bathroom, and it was just, thankfully I didn't get sick actually like in all that time, like because before Thursday we weren't isolating from each other, but so thankfully I didn't get it from him. But anyway, he is a breakthrough case. Like we're both vaccinated. We've been vaccinated since May. And so that was like a huge shock to us that again he was positive for COVID. We're assuming it's the Delta variant because I think that variant is the one that is like more flu-like, and also it's more like it's less, or I don't know. Anyway, so the fun thing about that COVID experience is that actually the friends that we hung out with on Friday, two others of them tested positive for COVID. So we, I guess, like all the people at that event were vaccinated, but I guess we just had like, I don't know, a breakthrough spreader event. It was like so bad. But okay. Um, yeah, so we were isolating from each other, and so Friday what we started to do was play Overcooked online. So we like, even though we're in the same house, we both went onto our computers and then like went on like Discord to talk to each other and play Overcooked. So that was actually kind of nice. That we were able to like still like hang out but like not physically, because we're obviously isolating from each other. Anyway, um yeah. Yeah, I don't know what else to say about all of that. Um, yeah, I would just say wear your mask, don't be stupid. If you're sick, stay home and get vaccinated, people. Because like if he wasn't vaccinated, he like, you know, it would have been a lot worse. Like he ended up being fine, like pretty mild symptoms, again just very very flu like. He did have a mild fever, like a low fever, like 101, and then on Sunday I marked that his fever broke, which was great. So like yeah, it wasn't past 100 after this day. And yeah, just don't be stupid, guys. um, yeah, that was an experience for sure. So let me see, what else am I gonna mark here? Yeah, if you have any questions on like what else I'm putting down here, just let me know. Some of this is actually from the kit, like that TV icon as well as that grocery bag. Those are all like icons from the kit, which I really appreciate when a kit has icons. I just also appreciate when there aren't too many icons in the kit, just so that it doesn't take up like room for other things. But let me see. I mean, by Saturday, my boyfriend was feeling like decently fine. Like he was fine enough to mow the lawn that day. um, and then here I'm just marking at the end of Sunday that I think we just played some more Overcooked, which yeah, we love Overcooked. I am so competitive in that game. So if you want to play, we have it on, or I have it on Steam on PC. So if you want to play Overcooked with me and get demolished, or we can also work on a team, but just let me know. Totally down to play Overcooked. And then this day we also got another care package. I think that was from my boyfriend's parents. But yeah, that was my like super not fun birthday week. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching the spread and hearing me ramble about my week and COVID. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you liked this video, please press the like button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.